Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to navigate this Kelly Blue Book site. So you're going to go in here and you're going to click on here where it says price new used. Next thing you're going to do is the vehicle that you chose for your assignment. You're going to go in here. I'll just use a 2013 Honda Accord, okay? So we're going to put that in. Now, next thing you're going to do, this screen is going to come up. You're going to go here where it says build a price. Okay, so click on build a price. And then the style, just pick whichever one you can. My main goal here is that you learn how to use this site. Okay, so just pick any one of them is fine. Then as far as options, again, color. If it has a specific color, use that one, but otherwise just pick one, any random one that's close to it. Then you're going to scroll down here and click Next, okay? Now I want you guys to see here, there's buy from a private party. If you do that, you have to pick which condition you think it's in, but you can go with buy from a dealer here, and you're going to go get used car price. So this little graph is going to pop up right here. This is what you're looking for, where it says fair market range. The lowest is 10,817 and highest is 12,774. Fair purchase price 11,796. Typical listing price. Okay, so that's if you're buying it from a dealer. So you need to screenshot this and put it into your document. Okay. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you are navigating this, you want to know what it would be from a private seller, I'll show you how much lower it would be. You just click down here from a private seller, and you can see that price is significantly lower. Okay, so that is the fair market value, all right? So let me know if you have any questions about that. Thanks.